Now to that shakeup with the Michigan Supreme Court clerk. Pete Martell's resignation coming after harsh criticism from Justice Richard Bernstein.
Martell served 14 years in prison for robbing a store in Flint and shooting at police officers. He was released back in 2008 and has since turned his life around.
Martell earned his law degree from Wayne State University and was hired by Justice Kyra Harris Bolden to serve as a law clerk.
7 Action News reporter Darren Cunningham has more on the shakeup.
I felt strongly about this issue. I felt that it had to be addressed.
On the phone with me, Michigan Supreme Court Justice Richard Bernstein, agreeing to an interview. The topic, the hiring of an ex-convict by another judge, newly elected Justice Kyra Harris Bolden, as her Supreme Court clerk.
Ultimately, when we talk about redemption and when we talk about second chances, we all believe in that. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you get to have whatever job you want.
Peter Martell, a formerly incarcerated man, turned his life around. He had spent 14 years in prison for robbing a store in the Flint area and shooting at police officers. The crime happened in 1994. He left prison in 2008, and he changed his life for the better, obtaining a law degree from Wayne State University. As a law clerk for the Michigan Supreme Court, Martell would have researched cases and provide input on opinions. However, Bernstein said he was disgusted by that choice, and he believes certain jobs are off limits after certain life choices are made.
Once you decide that you're going to shoot at police, I think that no matter what you do in terms of your redemption or those kinds of things, there's lots of other opportunities.
This afternoon, following much criticism, Martell resigned. I had spoken with him briefly prior to that resignation, uncertain if he should speak on the issue. I didn't hear back. Bolden's office released a statement through the court saying, quote, "I have accepted Pete Martell's resignation. He did not want to be a distraction or in any way divert the court from its important work. I respect his decision and do not intend to comment further," end quote. I also spoke with Alexandria Hughes with Michigan Liberation, where she's the Supreme Court coordinator and community activist.
I trust Kyra Bolden's ability to hire the right people for this job. And with the experience he brings as an advocate and seeing both sides of being incarcerated, being on the inside, but also bringing that personal experience, his background into it, and how he has turned his life around, I think that would have been a great element for the Michigan Supreme Court.
Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.